Well, good morning, y'all. We're back at the big cut, and today we're doing some canal bank stabilization. So I think I have some footage from yesterday. Basically, what we're doing is we had to lay a riprap down from there to there, and they're going to be building a retaining wall on top of this. So we laid riprap down, like you can see all the way over there. There's riprap out in the middle of the canal, and then there's number 57 stone from the bank to the riprap. And we just kind of got like a change order. They want us to extend it out another like foot or two. So that's what we're doing. Pushing it out to where it needs to be and trying to keep it on grade at the same time. Sí.
Suave.
That's my boy Frank. Frank doesn't speak any English, but he's my pipe layer, and he's a really good guy. See. And if you can't tell, I'm on this like narrow step, I guess, or ledge you would call it. So it's just slow and meticulous work. We are going to be tamping this at the end of it too, so I'm just giving it a nice little pre-compaction. Papi.
Hey, papi.
Slow, precise movements, because if you notice, none of the workers, my co-workers, have a rake or shovel or anything in their hands. We're doing all this with the machine. See, papi, how you open this?
Arriba. Down.
change of plans there. That's interesting, or not interesting. It's not necessarily good either, but. La máquina es no bueno. Yeah. So, just so you guys can see what's going on now, the roller is about to tip over the edge of this building pad here. So, time to go try to rescue that. So now I gotta get myself off this ledge, and oh, I gotta pee really bad too. Gosh darn it. Oh, this is gonna be fun. And it's break time. Damn.
Oh, no, keep it curled. No, listen. Curl it. Slowly. Right there.
All right.
So go down a little bit. You gotta have a better grip on it. All right, there.
Now curl.
Right there. Come on, Bobby.
You want me to pull it out?
Yeah, because my blade is holding the front. A little bit more. A little bit more. You got it, Aaron. All right.
Good?
Yeah, just, be there. Get on there. Pull that shit back, dog. Hey, man. Not even playing. Come on.
Hey, am I holding it in place, or can I let go?
Yeah, you can let it go.
Alright.
Yeah, you got to pull. You was supposed to hold your ride there.
Hey, yo, back that bit up. Oh, we're on break, I guess.
Hey, get on there and see if you can pull it back.
Hey, old school, what happened, bro?
He said he was looking at the truck.
You was looking at some fine piece of ass that walked by,
Yeah,
huh?
that's what it was.
Yeah, don't be lying to me now.
Talking about he was looking at the truck. There wasn't no truck.
Yeah, he was looking at a wide load. Yeah.
Hey, see.
Uh-oh, here comes the foreman. Or the supervisor, really. He's probably not happy, but it's what it is. You'll have that on these big jobs, as the old timers say.
There you go. Need more space so you don't hit the cab.
Over a little more. Don't be so close to the corner of the cab. Come over that way, Aaron.
Okay.
Over that way.
Right there?
Now come up.
Watch yourself. All right, put that.
Hey. Rattle that machine up. Wait. Don't let it go.
I didn't mean it slipped. team. All right, we're back after that little hiccup there. Got that roller out of trouble. And I can tell my GoPro's about to die, so try to get as much footage as I can before it dies. ¿Dónde? Okay. Sí. That's my pipe layer, and like I said, he doesn't speak much English at all, which, you know, again, doesn't bother me. He's a really good guy, he knows what he's doing, and I speak enough Spanish to understand, you know, what he wants me to do. So it's actually kind of cool, like the relationship we have is like a lot of it's like body language and like, you know, hand signals, and it's like, you know, when you're anybody that's worked with a pipe layer for a while, you kind of just like start to like, I almost can like know what he wants before he even tells me, you know? And I really value, oh God, I really value that relationship because it makes my job easier. I trust him, he trusts me, and you know, that makes it just more enjoyable to do work. And it's crazy because we don't even speak the same language, but it's like I consider him a better friend than a lot of people. You know, because of that trust. Take care of each other. See? Alright, I'll open it up now so you guys can see better. Moving? Alright, guess we're good here. Yeah, and the whole, I don't know if I explained, the whole reason we're doing this is, I mean, again, we've done this whole pad, or, you know, foundation, I guess you could call it, the past 2 days, but the general contractor came by today and looked at it, and for whatever reason, wants us to extend it out. So that's why we're even doing this. Otherwise, we still got another like maybe 50 to 75 yards of canal we got to fill in, you know. Piedra?
Piedra, papi, piedra.
All right, Bobby. Hey.